Today, I am going to give you a few tips on how to make concrete planters. Firstly, you need to get some forms for your planters. I like to use plastic pots. I tape off all the holes. You can use blue tape or even Gorilla Tape. Then try to fit one pot inside the bigger one. There should be enough clearance for the concrete. I try to have at least 1 inch for it. Don't forget to tape off all these holes. And of course, you need to apply oil over the surface so the concrete doesn't get stuck to the plastic. So here I have my items ready. Cement. You can choose white or yellow colored sand. I like to use dry sand because it gives me a better idea of how much water I would need for the concrete. Here is my mixing stick. For strength, I throw some insulation. It is all good and provides extra durability for my pots. I have my water ready. And now I am lubricating the plastic. I actually used an old transmission oil. You don't have to apply oil where it is not needed. Try to fit it, and you will understand what I am talking about. And here, I found a few pieces of foam that I'm going to use for the bottom. I have to do that because there should be clearance between the two pots. And now I am getting my mixture ready. It can be runny, but don't overdo it, because concrete will crack if you put too much water. And now you can start filling your forms with the concrete. You will notice that your pot is being pushed up. So you need to fill your smaller form with something heavy to keep it in place while you pour concrete in. I use sand. And this is the next day. Forms look good. If you find it difficult to get it out, just place in direct sun or use hot water to warm up the plastic. Then it will be easy to separate it from concrete. If you want to add design, do it within 2 days, before your concrete completely cures. You can paint it after it fully cures. I use acrylic paint. How to make different designs and patterns, please check out my other videos. You can subscribe to my channel to get notifications when I post a new video. I hope you found this video interesting.